arrive in style with this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: rear AC, Uconnect hands-free group incorporated, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth rear-view auto-dim mirror with microphone, Bluetooth streaming audio, remote USB port, adjustable steering wheel, stability control, bucket seats, third-row seat, power mirror, and variable speed intermittent wipers. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.